Good morning. I'm Don Wheeler.
And I'm Paul Howard. Welcome to this week's edition of Northpoint Mortgage Advocates.
Paul, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, man.
We got some good stuff to talk about today.
We do. We really do. Some money-saving stuff.
Money-saving stuff, but let's talk about the problem first.
Okay.
The problem is and everybody can relate, this credit card debt. Mm-hmm. Credit card debt, with the rates going up, it's eating people alive.
Oh, yeah. Inflation.
School loans coming back.
Yeah.
School loans coming back. All these incidental things killing the family right now.
Okay, well, what can they do? What can we do to help them get a hold of this debt?
Well, there's a program out there, we call it Blend. And we can look at a consolidation type of loan that will will show the consumer what their effective rate is and what they're paying out now, which is literally killing them, and how a consolidated loan will ease up their monthly expenses.
That's right, that's right. So what we're talking about, folks, is a cash out refinance loan, okay? So while interest rates are high and we're dealing with inflation, one good part about this is your home value has gone up tremendously. So in most cases, you probably have a lot of equity. So what we're proposing is take that equity, consolidate all this debt that you have, and pay it off and save hundreds, if not thousands a year in your payments. Because, you know, you really think about it, Don, you pay bills with dollars, not interest.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
So
now, think about it. There's a lot of people out there saying, but I've got such a low interest rate on my mortgage right now.
Well,
what are we going to tell them?
Well, you just talked about the blended rate. So
Yeah.
if you maybe your rate is kind of low on the mortgage right now, but if you take all your other credit card debts or short-term personal loans and put all those together and then do the blended rate, well, the interest rate is very high. So don't be fooled just because your mortgage rate seems to be low right now. Furthermore, once you consolidate everything, even though rates are a little bit on the high side today, they're going to come down. So you also have the opportunity to not only pay those debts off today, reduce your outgo per month, and that's what's important. What do I pay per month in debt? We'll be able to refinance you down the road in 8 to 12 months and make your mortgage payment even lower.
Home ownership should be a time of joy.
Additionally, you can deduct that interest.
Oh, yeah.
That's right.
And home ownership should be a time of joy.
Oh, absolutely.
It shouldn't be a hardship on the family.
No, not at all.
So if the homeowner will look at the mortgage as simply a financial instrument,
it is.
and we show them how to use that mortgage to empower their life, wow.
No, it's a great tool. It's a
clouds
great
come
tool.
down.
It may be a solution that's right for you. If you think so, give us a call. We'd be glad to go over your situation with you.
Give us a call at Northpoint Mortgage, where people matter most.